right, well, we are making our last delivery of the season. This is it. We're gonna probably unload all of our fish here and tie off at the dock and get the boat cleaned up for the rest of the day. I should be getting a flight out of here probably tomorrow or the next day. So this is it. I am really looking forward to getting back to the van, just getting back to just solid ground. I can't wait to go on a good long hike, dig my feet into the soil, and just get back to that adventure van, man. I can't wait. All right, so the best part of this is being able to shut this generator down. This generator runs 24/7. Been listening to this thing for a full month. And the generator is off. Peace and quiet. Have no idea the peace that comes over me now that that is turned off. Not a fan of generators. Well, today is departure day. This has been a wild adventure up here in Naknek, Alaska. Aboard the Penguin during salmon season here. Waking up to a beautiful morning. Sun's just coming up over the horizon there. Here on the Naknek River. We'll be flying from King Salmon, Alaska to Anchorage, Alaska, and then switching planes and flying into Seattle, where I'll be picked up by my beautiful girlfriend. Looking forward to seeing her. She'll give me a ride back to the van and get back to these van adventures. I'm really excited. This has been an awesome adventure. Really a great crew on this boat. Skipper Tad is always a pleasure to work with. It's great to work with my deckmate Bryce. Super cool guy. It has been awesome, but it is time to ramble on. The adventure continues. Away we go. Goodbye, Penguin. Well, it's good to be back in Washington State. This is where I've had my van parked at a friend's place while I was at the job in Alaska. Now I just gotta find the dang thing. I know it's around here somewhere. I thought I had it parked. Dude, where's my van? Is that it? Yeah, there are a few vans around here. I think this one's mine. Yeah, there it is. Nice, right where I left it. Hey van, good to be back. Nice. There she is, just how I left it. Awesome. So I had a little upgrades during my time back from my recovery period. I put some new rims and tires on there. Went with these steel wagon wheels, some nice chrome caps on them, and these all-terrain load range C open range tires, nice aggressive off-road tread. And then I upped my game on the motorcycle carrier that I've been using. I went with a Moto Tote. That's it there, Moto Tote. I'll be talking more about this probably in a separate video, but I really wanted to get something that was a little bit more secure for my little trail bike. The old rack I was using was just not right for it. Again, I'll talk about that more in the next video. But yeah, getting back to the van, I'm gonna head for the hills and do some boondocking. Been a month on a boat, it is time to get back to it. The adventure continues. All right, van started right up. We're ready to hit the road. I checked all my tire pressures and fluids, we're looking good. We're gonna head to the Olympic National Forest, do some dispersed camping out there. Got Kelly with me, she's behind me. She picked me up from the airport. We got in late after dark last night, so morning to get prepared here, and it is feeling good to get back out there. And away we go. Well, going down another forest road looking for a camp spot. See what we can find. It's just been beautiful out. A little warm. I think it's in the 80s. It'll have to do. Well, we'll give you a little glimpse of the camp we found here. Took a little searching. I had to unload the trail bike and do some exploring. We were approaching the weekend and the sites were filling up fast. That's the problem with the forest, is there's only so many spots because there's trees everywhere. So we were able to manage to find this spot here, right by this little creek. Got a nice little access spot to go down there and cool off. It's been quite warm, although today is a little cooler. And unfortunately, this spot had quite a bit of trash here. We've done quite a bit of cleanup already, but I still got a lot to do. And yeah, just, you know, cans and toilet paper hanging in the bushes and stuff like that. And then over here we had two big carpets, so I rolled those up. They were kind of just strewn about. And, you know, used baby diapers. I don't know why people can't pack those out. More toilet paper. So I like to go around with my little trash picker-uppers, my little pinchers in a bag, and just pick everything up. So we'll be working on that this afternoon. Try to get it all tidied up so it's spotless. And there was a ton of shells, you know, ammunition shells. So we got a little pile going here. But also found quite a few live rounds. We were hoping there was none in the fire ring when we had a fire last night, but some 22s, and I forget what this is here. So a little cleanup, should be good to go. It's been really nice to be back in the woods. Finished with the Alaska job, feeling good.